Good morning, everybody. I am much more chipper than I was yesterday morning. Today is day 2 of Vlogmas. Who knows if I'll lose count eventually. I'm just pulling out my advent calendar, which I'm pretty pumped to start. I haven't even taken the plaster crap off of it. I also got one for the dog because, you know, so let's just see. Day 1 for her I already opened because I was really curious. So it's just like a squidgy meat treat of some sort. I'm not even sure how I open this, but let's just see, okay? Okay, where is 1? It's 5, 24, 18, 8, 3. Oh, 1 is up here. Okay. This is hard to do one-handed. Oh, it's a little chocolate ball. How do we get this thing out of here? There we go. This is my treat for the day. This is Abby's treat for the day. Let's not get them mixed up. Okay, Abby, do you want this treat? Come here. Okay. Okay, sit. You're already sitting. Okay. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? You want to try this? Does this smell nice? Don't get used to it. They stink. Yes. So good. Yeah, was that yummy? While you're eating it. I never give her treats like that, so hopefully she's okay with it. Hey, buddy. Yeah? Okay. Okay, can you do shake? Hey, I know. No more treats. Shake? Okay, now what about this paw? Shake. Come on, buddy. Shake. Good girl. You're not very good at the tricks, but that's okay. I still love you. Yes, I do. So, the vlog is edited for today, which you will have already seen, hopefully. I just have to go upload it. So I'm going to take all of my crap upstairs and sit at the kitchen table and do some work before I have to leave to go open the store. And yes, I am wearing the same sweater as yesterday. Thank you for noticing. I like it. And it's cozy. I think it's just one of those like mini Lindt truffle things. Lindt chocolates are my favorite. Lindt. I will give you my address if you ever want to send some. The red ones are my favorite. I have to put this back in my wardrobe because Abby loves chocolate. And weirdly doesn't get sick off of it most times. She's never gotten sick off of it, actually. She's eaten it a couple times, actually. Not because I wanted her to, but because she stole it. So, I have to put it away. Okay, let's go do some work. Hey, Adam. My brother is actually scared of you guys now. So, yeah. Anyway, gotta get out of here. Okay, who's next? Alright, we are here. The store opens in about 10 minutes, which is not a problem because it takes like 1.5 minutes to actually open it, so. as you can see, I'm in the store. We open at 12 on Sundays. I have to check and see if I'm here till 5 or 4. I can't remember if we started our December hours this weekend or not. So, that's what's happening. I have all of these bags to put the stamp onto, and then I put a sticker on them, so they look cute. I think it's noon now. I've not eaten anything yet today. I think I'm gonna order lunch real quick because it'll be a while before it gets here and I don't want to be hangry. So yeah, also like there's a ton of events going on today where I think it might be fairly quiet for a while. There's supposed to be a snowstorm where we get 15 centimeters of snow today. So who knows what it'll be like. You see this new sweater of mine that I've only worn twice? Well, it's already pilling a whole bunch on the sleeve where it like rubs against my body. And I picked off so much fluff. It's even worse on this side. You can't really see it maybe, but yeah, it's pretty bad. I'm hoping that sorts it out once I wash it for the first time. I'll have to like lay it flat to dry somewhere or like hang it to dry because I don't think this should go in the dryer. Gotta turn off the music. Okay, the store's empty again. It's like 1 o'clock. We opened an hour ago. And pretty much since the moment we opened, well, maybe 5 minutes after, there's been people in here the whole time. So this is my first like break, let's say, of people. My lunch was delivered in that time. I got pita pit. I got a ginger ale, which is my favorite. And then obviously my pita, which I don't get a whole lot in it. So I got iceberg lettuce. I normally get romaine, but with all the like salmonella contamination scares, I got iceberg instead. Cucumbers, green olives, Southwest chicken, which is just chicken cooked in Southwest sauce. Then feta, mayo, ranch, and more Southwest sauce, or like chipotle sauce. Chipotle. I don't know why I say chipotle. I never really paid attention to how it was spelled before, and then you guys pointed out I was saying it wrong, and I'm gonna just put it out there and say I will probably always say it wrong because it's, you know, it's a habit that I'm not sure I know how to break. So I'm just gonna eat my pita, and then I'm gonna stamp all the bags, and that's all I got to tell you. Oh, my pita is broken. It has a cut. Okay. And just like that, all of the bags are stamped and stickered. I'm not sure if you guys can even tell, but it's snowing. We're supposed to get quite a bit of it actually, so yeah. All right, this shall be fun. So 30 minutes later, and this is what we've got. It's not quite a full centimeter yet, but getting close. So I'm just packing up my stuff because it's actually 3 o'clock, and well, normally we're open till 4. The weather's gotten pretty gross out, so we're actually, the owner texted me and said, you know, I don't want you staying because the weather's pretty bad. I don't want you to drive home. So like, this is what we're dealing with in a couple of hours of snow. So I'm gonna go home. Look how cute the store looks. Thumbnail. Do I look like one of those LA beauty YouTubers or like beauty vloggers? Thumbnail. Oh, this looks pretty familiar. Kind of like I sat here exactly yesterday. Okay. Well, I'm home now. I stopped and picked up my sister from work, which just fit perfectly with me coming home. It is 5 o'clock. It took me a while to get home in the snow. I could only drive 40 kilometers an hour pretty much the whole time because the main road was not plowed. So that was fun. Yep. So I don't really have anything else to do today besides edit this vlog. So I think I'm gonna end it here even though it's quite early. I might like watch a movie later if I can get this vlog edited early enough. I might watch Noelle again on Disney Plus. My brother decided he was gonna get it for a whole year as like a trial. He paid for a whole year in advance, and he lets us use his account. Like there's multiple profiles on it, so I have a profile, and I've watched, well, my sister and I watched Noelle a couple nights ago. Then we made my mom watch it, and it was really good. It has Anna Kendrick in it, and I won't spoil it, but totally worth paying for Disney Plus just to see a good Christmas movie that is not some garbage Hallmark bullshit. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.